Hey guys, we're going to do some quick analysis on LTCUSD. There's something that we noticed that would have been beneficial explaining in detail in a small little video like this. So that's what we're going to do right now. But before you do like and subscribe, you need to subscribe to this channel and like this video because it's going to help us out a lot and it's going to help out a lot of other people too. So let's go back all the way to the weekly. You've been seeing the analysis videos that we've been doing on LTCUSD, so you'll roughly know where we're at with this, and if you're not, then you're more than welcome to go back and watch all the videos up until this point. But this is where we are right now, and then we've got a vertical and a horizontal blue line. Okay, so this just signals for us the end of this week where we had that massive hammer candle. Okay, and this horizontal line signals the very bottom of the wick. Okay, so when we go down to the daily and the 4 hour time frames, we're able to see where it's actually started. Now, typically with a wick this size on the weekly, this signals that the sellers are losing control. Now, typically what happens is the market will like to come back down and retest, hence why we wanted to know where the low was on this weekly candle wick, and we also wanted to know the candle that starts the new week. That's going to be technically the beginning of the retracement down. So if we zoom in a little bit further, you'll be able to see that this is where the retracement starts, and this is the bottom of the candle. And you can see if we were to put a Fibonacci on this, and let's just see roughly where it's landed. So we take this as a low point here, and this is the high point. Let's drag this across. You can see we hit that 0.786 Fibonacci level, and we hit it very well. It's also inside this orange area of resistance taken from the edge of this candle to the top of this wick, and we've dragged it across. And you can see we have had that descending pen in, and we've really had a nice rounding off to the bottom of the market, which is of course what we are looking for when we are at the bottom of a move. So now we've broken out it quite significantly. We've peaked just above that 50 EMA ever so slightly, but we're coming back down, and I do think that this is that higher low to the higher high, and we might actually get that push back into an area like this and then push back up, because if we just take away some of this stuff here, let's hide this, we'll be able to get a clearer view. We go to the daily, you'll be able to see this trend line here. So we've taken it from this low here to this low, and then we're coming back down in to retest that. And then when we did the first time, when we did right here, we've shown incredible support. Okay, really tried to push down a good few times, and we've just stayed exactly on the bottom of this orange zone, exactly in line with the daily trend line. And now we've broken out of that bearish pattern, that descending pennant. We've broken out, created a higher high. We're coming back down, hopefully to create a higher low in this area of support, of the trend line and the orange zone, and then get that next push up in an area around about the 190 mark, and then hopefully breaking that 190 mark, and then that will really open up the gates, because if we get past these two highs here, then we can start to then really look to move up to areas like this and around about 290. But again, this is what we're looking for on LTCUSD, and this is what we plan on happening. We're going to make these videos very short, so you can go through them, get everything that you need out of them without being bored and wasting any time. So if you've got any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Don't be shy, there's no such thing as a silly question, and we'd love to hear from you and see what your thoughts are analysis wise. So we're going to do the weekly watch list on Wednesday. We're going to do that live on YouTube, so don't miss out on that. We'll probably do that midday, 12 PM, 1 PM GMT, so you can look out for that. So until then, we hope everybody has a profitable trading week coming up, and we will see you in the weekly watch list.